Hi, I'm Assemblyman Josh Hoover, and I'm delighted to recognize an Integrated Pest Management Achievement Award winner within the 7th Assembly District. The California Department of Pesticide Regulation recognizes the California Department of Fish and Wildlife Human-Wildlife Conflicts Program for being excellent stewards of California's wildlife. These practices provide a safer and healthier environment for our communities. The Department of Fish and Wildlife is using integrated pest management to support safe human-wildlife interactions in our state. The information they are providing keeps us and our wildlife safe as we seek to enjoy nature. I'm proud to be able to recognize a state agency that is doing its part to preserve these natural treasures. I know the Department of Fish and Wildlife will keep up the great work and continue to promote programs that protect wildlife throughout our beautiful state of California. Thank you.